guys, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to tell you what is a stalemate and a draw. We will start with stalemate. Have a look at this position. So here is a stalemate because white's target to move this pawn and become the queen, and white moves with their pawn like that, and it's check. The black king moves like that, and if the white king moves like that, it is a stalemate because our king can't move like that or like that because of the white king, and here he can't move because of the white king again. Can't move here because of the pawn. He can't move here because of the pawn again, and there is no check to him, and he doesn't like it in his own place. So this is stalemate. Have a look at this position. Here, white can win, but if somebody doesn't know theory very well, they can't checkmate the opponent's king in these conditions. If even they have a queen up or rook up, so the black king moves like that, and white moves with their king to here, and this is a stalemate because there's no check in this diagonal. If the bishop was here, that would be checkmate, but the bishop isn't here. The bishop is here. So the black king can't move here because of the white king. The king can't move here because of the bishop. The king can't move here because of the king again. And there's no check in his square. That is stalemate. So white moves like that. It's check. The black king moves here, and the white king moves here for some reason, and the black king takes the pawn like that, and this is a draw because the white king can't checkmate the black king, and same thing, the black king can't checkmate the white king. Let's have a look at this position. This is a really rare position, and this is a draw because there's two sides of the board, the black side and the white side. The black pieces can't move to the white side, and the white pieces can't move back to the black side. If the bishop moves, there's only a couple of moves for the bishop. Still not going to go to the black side. And the same thing with the black pieces. Here is another position. This is stalemate because a king with only a bishop can't checkmate the white or the black king. And it's the same thing with the knight. The black king can't checkmate the white king with the bishop only. And, for example, if there will be a knight, there's no checkmate with a knight. That is a draw. Here is another position. So, this can be a draw, and this draw is called infinite check. So have a look at this position. Black moves like that, and this is check. The white king can't move forward because of the queen. If the queen moves here, it's check, and that will be infinite. You can't do this check until night, till the morning. So in chess, this is a draw. Okay? Today, our lesson is finished. Bye-bye.